At the highly anticipated premiere of Dune, Part 2, in London, actress Anya Taylor-Joy revealed exciting news that thrilled fans and intensified the film's buzz. Prior to the event, speculations had been circulating online about Taylor-Joy's potential role in the project. However, it wasn't until the premiere itself that the confirmation finally arrived. Taylor-Joy announced her significant part in the film, adding to an already impressive ensemble cast headed by Timothée Chalamet and Zendaya. Taylor-Joy's unexpected presence at the premiere only heightened the excitement surrounding her casting. Overflowing with elation and gratitude, she expressed her delight in being a part of the Dune franchise, emphasizing how it fulfilled a long-held dream. During a live interview streamed on Warner Bros.' TikTok account, Taylor-Joy couldn't contain her enthusiasm, describing her experience of working with the talented cast and director Denis Villeneuve as incredible. Moreover, Taylor-Joy didn't hold back in showering praise on the film itself. She went on to describe Dune, Part 2, as one of the most exceptional movies she has ever seen in her entire life, particularly commending Villeneuve's remarkable work. Her glowing review only amplified the anticipation for the film's release. Anya Taylor-Joy's casting further elevates the star power of Dune, Part 2. Joining forces with Chalamet and Zendaya, she adds to a superb lineup of actors that includes Austin Butler, Florence Pugh, Léa Seydoux, and Christopher Walken. With such top-tier talent, audiences can expect an unforgettable cinematic experience. Fans can mark their calendars for March 1, 2024, as it is the eagerly awaited release date of Dune, Part 2. With Taylor-Joy's confirmed involvement and the positive reception from the premiere, moviegoers can anticipate a captivating and star-studded sequel that lives up to all the hype. If you like this video, don't forget to like video and subscribe. See you soon with the next video. Thank you so much for watching.